Welcome to Zoom and Learn TV.
Come on, friends, it's splash time today.
1, 2, 3.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3. What color will the water be? Yellow alligator. Yellow alligator, ready, go. Splash into the pool below. Yellow water, splash, splash, splash. Orange lion. Orange lion, leap so high, splashing underneath the sky. Orange water, splash, splash, splash. Pink elephant, big and strong, makes a giant splash along. Pink water, splash, splash, splash. Purple giraffe, long and tall, makes the biggest splash of all. Purple water, splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, what a sight. Changing colors is delight. Jump right in and laugh away. Color splash is fun today. Green Rhino, stop and dive. Splashing makes us feel alive. Green water, splash, splash, splash. Blue zebra, jump with glee. Splashing happy as can be. Blue water, splash, splash, splash. Brown bear says, watch me fly. Splashing way up to the sky. Brown water, splash, splash, splash. Cyan camel bounce so high, splashing with the joyful cry. Cyan water, splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, what a sight. Changing colors is delight. Jump right in and laugh away. Color splash is fun today. I'm Hippo, big and round, makes the loudest splashing sound. Lime water, splash, splash, splash. Red flamingo, stretch so tall. Splashing is the best of all. Red water, splash, splash, splash. Teal buffalo, strong and wide, splashes with a mighty stride. Teal water, splash, splash, splash. Gray tiger, fast and bright, makes a splash with all its might. Gray water, splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, what a sight. Changing colors is delight. Jump right in and laugh away. Color splash is fun today.